Hi guys, today we're demonstrating a couple of features of the Behringer 960 sequential controller, demonstrating the quantizer mode of the Envelope Plus Plus, the Q179 Envelope Plus Plus from synthesizers.com. This Envelope Plus Plus allows us to do all sorts of wonderful things. It contains a small sequencer, a quantizer, and numerous other useful circuits. It's really a multifunction module that's quite complicated. To put your Q179 into the quantizer mode, you simply make sure that the top envelope attack is set to 0. That turns off the internal clock. You make sure that the middle switch here is pushed down to sequencer. You plug in the input into the amp socket, so this black wire here is going to our sequencer, and you take the output from the plus output, which is just below. So it's quite a simple quantizer. It's quite a simple one-channel quantizer when you have the middle switch set to sequence, doesn't matter about the others, and you have the top knob set to 0. Now, it's a 1/12 note quantizer, so that would be a chromatic scale. It doesn't quantize to scales as such. It quantizes to chromatics. But this is quite okay for our demonstration today. We're just using our usual Q106 oscillator, and we're taking the sawtooth wave and sending it out to the amplifier through channel 1 of our mixer, just as a convenience, because this black cable there in the output is connected to our mixer and amplifier system. So it's quite a simple patch, as you can see. I was told, guys, that the small fiddly knobs on this Eurorack version of the 960 would not be suitable for selecting individual notes. Well, that's far from true. We have quite a wide range here, and we can easily get the exact note that we want. So let us listen carefully now as we go up the scale with the channel 1. This is the one here where you can start at the lowest pitch and move up, and you will see that there's quite a bit of pot leverage in between the individual semitones of our chromatic scale. That's at the maximum, and if you switch to the by 1 position, you will get even more accuracy, because that limits the total range of the pot. Don't let that fool you. You can dial in the exact note you want. And you have more than enough range for most melodies, but as I said, it works okay on the by 2 as well. get the exact note you want. So it's a very worthwhile buy because it's quite cheap. There you hear it scanning a sequence of notes. And the thing that I like about this sequencer is that you can skip steps. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.